Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I am going to talk about Tata Chemicals. Is it worth a look now after such a good move over the last 15 months, or one should avoid it? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I am not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Tata Chemicals, a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you will have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And once you pay $100 upfront, then you get 12 months access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 20% discount. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out. Now about the company, Tata Chemicals was established in 1938 and it produces a number of soda ash and specialty chemical products. There are different products that include sodium bicarbonate, allied chemicals, products for cement and infra industry, among others. They have operations across the globe, mainly in Asia, Americas, Europe, and Africa. And there are a wide range of applications that their products have, which are into agriculture, animal nutrition, food, etc. The market cap of the company is around 21,000 crores. If you look at the financials, and the financials were pretty strong this time around. Sales went up by around 18%, whereas profit went up many folds to 288 crores versus 13 crores. But you have to remember that June 2020 was a lower base, and because of which it was a complete shutdown for major part of that June quarter, and that's why the numbers are looking so rosy. There is decent promoter and institutional holding with 18% free float, so around 82% of the holding is with strong investors. The return on equity has dipped significantly year on year to 2%, whereas operating profit margin stays at 16%. If you look at the performance of the stock has done exceedingly well in the last 15 months. As I have said, had fallen 34% from top till March of 2020, but have been hitting new highs consistently and has done exceedingly well. It has gone up something like 120, 130%. It has recovered sharply, and as I see here, from the lows of 190, it is up to something like 800, 830. So you have to understand that over the last 16, 17 months, it has gone up four folds, over four folds over this time, 4x. So may continue to rise further as people are talking about the EV play, etc. At one point, Tata Chemicals management came out and said that they are not quite doing enough about the EV at the moment, but over a long term time horizon, they are going to produce, you can say, chemicals and raw materials for EV batteries. So that is one thing to look forward to. If you look at the technicals, then 680 is a strong support. So 840, 850 is where the stock is at the moment. I would say 680 is a very strong support. Any dips towards 770, 780, you could buy that with a 10-15% stop loss and keep on buying at lower levels. There's a strong resistance around 980,000 levels. So once it crosses that, then you'll see the big up move. But it may have started a fresh up move here because the decline took place about a few weeks back, so you have to consider that. So on charts it looks very promising. Any sharp declines are buying opportunity. Any declines to 770, 760, all those levels, very good buying opportunities. And valuations are stressed, so you have to understand that there could be a decent decline in the stock because valuations do not support the current stock price, in my opinion. What needs to be done? Buy on major declines only, not at these levels. Probably, as I mentioned, some 5 to 10% decline would be better with a stop loss of 650, 660. Have a 5-year time frame, but I would prefer to be in other consumer centric stocks which are not quite chemicals, because chemicals have done exceedingly well over the last 6-7 years already. So stock may do reasonably over the long run, but not extraordinarily. That's what I feel. So this was my video on Tata Chemicals. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon. Thank you.